Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here at Oshkosh. Very unique here. There it is, folks. The beast. Somebody's got to figure out how all this works. What they have it hooked up to is, you said this was an Allison?
Yep.
And 6-cylinder?
12-cylinder.
12-cylinder Allison. Shows how much, well, I see one side. And then what they're doing is they're running this as a dynamometer, folks. Yes.
W, and we want to just have it on here. It's like...
That's the cooling systems set up on the back. That is one amazing thing. And this guy here, he's got his Allison, but right now he's got it under wraps. There it is again, folks. Quite the setup.
That's just the way it but ideally, how would we
This shows how that works.
So where are you guys out of?
We're out of New Ridge, Wisconsin. So it's about 40 minutes from St. Paul.
Yeah.